Hello guys, and welcome back to Mega Minecraft Ninja, where today we have Maximus Garuda. Let's do an unboxing. Alrighty, so we're going to be unboxing Maximus Garuda, or Garuda G3. And, well, actually, one sec. Here is Heel Salamander. With all of the stickers on. I didn't show it in my Salamander unboxing video. My Salamander and Drain unboxing video. So I thought I would go ahead and show that off. So here we have this. And we're going to open it up. And then we'll take a look at the stats because I'm not going to damage the back of the box. Okay, so now that we got it open, we're going to look at the stats. He has like a 10 on stamina, so that's pretty good since he's a stamina type, you know. You can, you might be able to read his stats. There, that should be good. You should have been able to read it. Now I just have a normal ripcord, evolution ripcord. Garuda is a right spinning stamina bay, if you were wondering. So here is him in this package. Start out with the launcher. The only thing that's different between this launcher and a blue launcher is that this one can go left and right, and also it has a gear system, so it's not just free spinning. There's a gear system in it, and also the ripcords are better. This little tool right here can be used to change Legend Spryzen or Spryzen Requiem from left and right spinning modes. Okay, we're just gonna get that little dot thing off. It's just a normal ripcord. Now we'll move on to the performance tip. Which Frugal, I think? Frugal, something like that. Is this a performance tip? I really like it. I love the wings there. It's a pretty nice performance tip. This is gonna hurt. Like with Drain Fafnir, all of his parts just kind of came right out. But then this one was kind of hard. Okay, so we have what is his frame called? I thought it might be under, but it has an F on it, so it's not under. Oh, what is it? I cannot remember what this frame is. But his forge disc is 8. Frame 8. Now we move on to the piece de resistance. The layer. This thing is huge. Okay, look at this. That's pretty big. It's like the size of my palm. So, here you go. Scan them for the app, which is a really fun app. I play it sometimes. And once I get my 10th subscriber, I'll be accepting the first 5 friend requests. After my 10th subscriber, the first 5 people to friend me. Put your names in the comments below because your name on the game in the comments. It's pretty good slopes. Pretty good. So, I will do a test spin in the Chaos Core Base Stadium. In my last video, I showed off the Chaos Core. Okay, let it, and it's a barcode. So here we go. Pretty normal stamina type. Pretty normal. Is the center. Woo. So that was pretty good test spin. So now we're going to do a test battle between him and Drain Fafnir. Because Drain Fafnir can't spin steal from him from this layer. Let me grab Drain real quick. Where is he? Where is he? Where's Drain? Dang, where is it? I can't find Drain. Unless he's under stadium? No. Ah, there it is. It was right under my nose the whole time. We'll be putting this launcher into left spin. It's a different launcher, not his other one. Alrighty, so I'm gonna launch them both into the stadium. That it. That it. Okay. Drain's not spin stealing. Because there's no main contact points. Oh, by the way, if you guys have been seeing me use Spriggan Requiem, I made an unboxing video of him, but I just couldn't get it out. It wasn't good enough for you guys. What? Wait, this guy got a stamina finish? How much damage? Barely any damage. Same with this guy. I am very shocked that this guy got a stamina win. Okay, so that was a pretty successful battle. Maximus Garuda is really good. And thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye.